So the next one we're going to do has to do with consecutive odd numbers. So I'm going to jot down our odd numbers from the previous page just so we have them handy here. So the consecutive odd numbers that I used in the example were 13, 15, and 17. So let's investigate. What do we need to add to 13 to get to 15? We need to add 2. Okay, so this time we have 3 numbers. The first number is x. The second number is x plus 2. Now, the third number we want to be in terms of x also. So from the first number to the second number, we added 2. But from the first number to the third number, what do we need to add? To get from 13 to 17, we need to add 4. So our third number is x plus 4. So we're looking for the sum of these 3 numbers. So I need to add all 3 of these together. X plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4. So that's the sum of all 3 numbers. We've added all of those numbers together. It's supposed to equal 57. So now we need to find these 3 numbers. We'll begin by combining like terms. How many x's do we have on the left-hand side? We have 3 x's on the left-hand side, so x plus x plus x is 3x. And then we also have a plus 2 and plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And it equals 57. So from here, we're just ready to solve. 3x equals 51. So what we need to do next is divide both sides by 3. So 51 divided by 3. 3 will go into 5 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract it off. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down the 1. 3 will go into 21 17 times, and there's no remainder. So x is 17. So if x is 17, to get the second number, we need to add how many? We need to add 2. 17 plus 2 is 19. And to get the third number, we need to take 17 and add what? We need to take 17 and add 4. So 17 plus 4 is 21. So our 3 numbers are 17, 19, and 21. So now what I want you to do is try numbers 15 and 20 on your own. So pause this video, go back to the other page, do number 15, and then give number 20 a try. And then once you're finished, come back to this video to see if you got them right. So we'll do number 15 first. The sum of 2 consecutive numbers is 85. So notice that we're not talking about even consecutive numbers. We're not talking about odd consecutive numbers. We're just talking about regular consecutive numbers. So if the first number is x, then the second number needs to be x plus 1 because these are just regular consecutive numbers. Sum means add, so x plus 1 is supposed to equal 85. We combine like terms. X plus x is 2x. And then from here, we need to subtract 1 from both sides. 2x equals 84. Next, we need to divide both sides by 2. So x is 42. Then, in order to find the next number, we need to take 42 and add 1. And that gives us 43. So our 2 numbers are 42 and 43. So for number 20, we're looking for the sum of 3 consecutive numbers, so just regular consecutive numbers. So our first number is x, our second number is x plus 1, and our third number, it needs to be x plus 2. So let's take a look at why that's true. If I have the numbers 3, 4, and 5, to get from 3 to 4, I have to add 1. But to get from 3 to 5, I have to add 2. So that's why the third number is x plus 2. So here is our 3 consecutive numbers over here. The sum of these 3 consecutive numbers is 33 more than the smallest of the numbers. So the sum of 3 consecutive numbers, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, means equals 33 more, 33 plus, 33 more than what? 33 more than the smallest of the numbers. Well, the smallest of the numbers is x. So 33 plus x is what it's equal to. We need to find the numbers. So over here on the left-hand side, I have 1, 2, 3 x's, so that's 3x. And I also have 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. So 3x plus 3 equals 33 plus x. So now we need to find x by subtracting x from both sides. 2x plus 3 equals 33. Subtract 3 from both sides. So what we have left is 2x equals 30. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 15. So if x is 15, that's the smallest number. That's our first number, x. How do we get the second number? The way we get the second number is by adding 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. And then to get the third number, we got to take 15 and we have to add 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17. So our 3 numbers, our 3 answers to this problem are 15, 16, and 17.